It's hot budge. Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube. And if you're new on this video, guys, please get subscribed. Oh my God, I'm outside. Needless to say, it is so freaking hot. Woo! Oh, one of those bugs just flew up. Like, comment down below when the bugs fly up your nose. But yeah, guys, I came to take my grandbaby to the sprinkler park, but unfortunately, I don't know. One of our one of the people that live in the town said probably because of I guess it's a heat advisory right now. When I know our state is like, it's really hot today. A lot of our state is under heat advisory. But I figured, I live quite close to the sprinkler park, so I'd walk over here and bring my grandbaby. When I tell you that it's so freaking hot, and then today they don't have the sprinklers on, the lady was saying it's probably because it's so hot. They probably figured, don't have it on right now because it's too hot outside anyway. But it's crazy because a lot of people came over here. It's like we don't have a pool in our town. It's a small town, so they don't have a pool, but they have a nice size sprinkler park, like with like several sprinklers, and that's like everybody's go-to when it's hot. But not today. So we're sitting currently under a tree. That's why you see it a little shady. That's the best thing I could do to stay away from this heat. I'm about to go back home though because it's really bad out here, and I don't want my grandbaby to get sick or myself. I recently had a concussion, still have effects of that, and this sun can't be a good thing. It's not. It makes me feel dizzy. So, stay. It is a beautiful day out though, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's absolutely stunning, but it's just really, 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 really hot today. And I do mean hot. And a lot of people are used to this kind of weather because they're from places where the climate is normally hot. In Massachusetts, we only get really hot like this in the summertime. Most times it's usually a little bit later in the summer season, not this early, but it's really hot today. So I don't know, guys. You'll catch me inside. I can't take this weather. And like I said, especially with my recent concussion, it's too much for me. I just don't feel right out here. So I'm gonna get ready to go back home where it's nice and cool and safe and relaxed. Yeah, guys, I'm about to go back. This is not gonna work for me. So I'm about to go back home. Come on, baby. Yeah, we're gonna get under the air conditioner. Why? Because it's too hot right now. Come on, baby. Thank you. Go ahead, run. Thank you. Yeah, I can't. I can't. I'm not equipped for this heat out here. And you would think I done been all freaking to Virginia several times. And I know even Virginia is not the hottest place, but don't get me wrong. Virginia do get hot. And I done been there in the heat of the summer, like July. July when it's like the dead of heat. But this is just like a whole nother level of hot. I'm telling you, it's like the air quality and the humidity is just like, oh, so sticky and gross. I cannot. So I'm going my butt home where I feel comfortable under the air conditioner. Everybody's at work. It's just a couple of people home today. So, and we knew this weather was coming. I mean, I knew it was coming, but damn. Yeah. You can't get prepared for this kind of situation, not gonna lie. Because it's crazy out here. Oh, propane gas right there. Man. A little town. I think that's gas too. I forget what that is, the night company, but it's a little town-based company. And we're gonna take the shortcut because the shortcut will leave you out of the sun. So we're gonna cut through the little bike path, which is also the little walking path, guys. You're hot, baby? I know, darling. See? That's why Grammy wanted to go. Come on so I can give you a popsicle because I don't want you to get too hot. Come on. Come on, because I want to get you out of the sun. I want to get you a popsicle so you can cool off. Yeah, he said it's hot. Yeah.
It's hot. It's not hot. It's cold.
You're cold? I wish it was cold right now, darling. That's why I want to get in the house where it is cold. Yep, guys. That's our little bike path right there. My grandson.
This rock is too hot.
Yeah, it's hot, baby.
This one.
Oh, the rock is hot?
Yeah.
Oh.
That butterfly.
Oh.
Look at that butterfly there.
I see that butterfly. As you see, guys, it got darker because this, you see my daughter's arms. That means that we're cool. This is the shade part. Woo! You ever come when it's so hot? Again, to those people who are used to this because they're in a hot climate. But when you get to a shady part, you be like, oh my gosh. Even when you're used to it, like, I don't think I could get used to it because I cannot take this obsessive heat. Excuse me, oppressive heat. I cannot. I'm not that person. And again, I was born in August, Leo life all day. But I don't like the excess heat. And see, we're almost home. I'm gonna walk down this little path. Be careful, be reticular. I'm gonna walk down the little path.
It's not. I'm not riding some rock.
Careful. Don't rock it. Go. Home sweet home. Thank you, Jesus. And when we get in that sun, making it to our house is going to feel like it's going to take 1,000 years. Like right now. Come on, man. Oh, guys. Woo. You can probably see the sweat on my head. Man, listen.
Daddy, can I touch your head? Can I touch your head, Connor? No, I didn't touch your head.
Guys, I'm telling you, this don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. My house can't get, I'm telling you, I cannot get to my house quick enough. Damn. I feel like I'm in Hell's Kitchen right now. Literally. Jeez Louise. Come on, Budge. Cross. Come on. Oh, gosh. I should have bought that tripod so I don't have to hold the phone. Damn. Yeah, guys, that was a brief little outing. I can't deal with it. And this is not me, because let me tell you something. When I take my little grandbabies out, I like to chill. But yeah, unfortunately, Grammy got to be a bad Grammy today, because she can't take it. She can't take it. It's too hard. Huh? Woo! Damn. But I put some popsicles in the freezer before I left. Let me tell you something. When I tell y'all I was prepared for this, when we went shopping the other day, I bought like 5 boxes of them. Remember the back in the days, long freeze pops that cost like, I think those cost 50 cents at the corner store. If you lived in the hood before, you know how it goes. Regular stuff. But those long ones, not the ones that cost like a dime, the long ones that was thick, I bought like 5 boxes of them, and I think they had like 40 in each one. I was ready for this, honey. I'm ready for it. When I tell you I put some in the freezer before we left, when it's this kind of weather, all I'm keeping is ice cold water and freeze pops. Good, good, good. No sodas, because that's nothing. That's just going to make you hot and slow. Slow you down. Oh, coin. Nice. Pick it up. Pick it up. That's money, baby.
That's money.
Oh,
That's hot. That's hot.
home sweet home, guys. Don't get that, please. Oh, God, I got to sit down.
It's ready.
Oh, my gosh.
Go, Budge.
Go ahead, baby.
I'm sitting down.
Oh, my gosh. Oh. I know my family like, y'all back already?
Boy.
Yeah.
Don't get me on your boy.
Oh, look at my face, guys. All hot and sweaty. Sticky. Look, guys, I'm ready for it. I am ready for it. Little freeze pop right there. I don't care if they ain't frozen or not. Let's get it.
Whoa.
Oh. Oh. Guys, you ever do this when it's so hot? Oh. Budge, here, Budge. You want freeze pop?
Yeah.
Here, cool off.
That's mine.
Yeah, you can have this one. Cool off.
Cool.
Don't spill it. Hold it. Don't spill it. See, guys, you got to be prepared. You got them kids for this kind of weather. Yeah, it's not frozen yet, but it's nice and cold juice. These kinds, guys. Woo.
Kind of guy.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Copy me.
Huh?